Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you exciting and interactive ways to learn Hindi. Today, we have a special episode for all the vegetable lovers out there. We are going to learn about vegetables in Hindi through English. So, let's get started. Our first vegetable is the bitter gourd. In Hindi, we say karela. Can you say karela with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Bitter gourd, karela. Bitter gourd, karela. Next, we have the lady's finger. In Hindi, we say bhindi. Can you say bhindi with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Lady's finger, bhindi. Lady's finger, bhindi. Next, we have the bell pepper. In Hindi, we say Shimla mirch. Can you say Shimla mirch with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Bell pepper, Shimla mirch. Bell pepper, Shimla mirch. Next, we have the green chili. In Hindi, we say Hari mirch. Can you say Hari mirch with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Green chili, Hari mirch. Green chili, Hari mirch. Next, we have the curry leaves. In Hindi, we say curry patte. Can you say curry patte with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Curry leaves, curry patte. Curry leaves, curry patte. Next, we have the capsicum. In Hindi, we say Shimla mirch. Can you say Shimla mirch with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Capsicum, Shimla mirch. Capsicum, Shimla mirch. Fantastic. You did it. We've learned some fascinating vegetables in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words to build your vocabulary. Now let's have a quick recap.
Bitter gourd, karela. Lady's finger, bhindi. Bell pepper, Shimla mirch. Green chili, Hari mirch. Curry leaves, curry patte. Capsicum, Shimla mirch. Bottle gourd, lauki. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning vegetables in Hindi with us. Stay tuned for more exciting language lessons. Dhanyawad and until next time.